Mitch Allen here from Nufarm. CanDo Oil Adjuvant is our new oil-based adjuvant currently on the market. It's a high-quality ESO oil, an ethylated canola seed oil, combined with high-quality surfactants and emulsifiers. So by building a higher quality oil with a better formulation, we've been able to see really good results in the field with a range of herbicides, insecticides and fungicides. And a key point with CanDo is that it has a single simple use rate of 0.5% per 100 litres. So it keeps things really simple and convenient when you're talking about oils. Often products will specify different oils for different jobs. With CanDo, if we follow our label, we can use CanDo at a single use rate of 0.5 litre per 100 litres. There can be a lot of confusions around oils with different ingredients and different claims. We have a huge data set with CanDo across a range of different herbicides, insecticides and fungicides, and we're confident in the single low use rate of 0.5% across a range of products. So CanDo, it's about getting the best job out of your herbicide, insecticide, fungicide, and keeping it simple by using the one product at a single low use rate.